Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Cross Universe by Dragon. Looking at Dragon's code, we can see play sound blocks, switch to costume blocks, and when touching occurs blocks too. Defeat the enemies underwater and elsewhere as a ninja flying through different universes. Next we have Maple Oak Farm by Ctynker. Looking at their code, we can see play note blocks, when I receive blocks, and broadcast blocks as well. Start and take care of your own farm in this cool project. Here we have Roma Progekt 01 by From Temi Village. Looking at the code, we can see when arrow pressed blocks, double jump blocks, and when actor collides blocks. Classic platformer game, but you're a cowboy fighting flying monsters and robots. Last but not least, we have My Game Project by Doge. In this awesome text coding project, you must prevent the blocks from falling to the ground using the arrow keys. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.